NetJets versus VistaJet. So, let's talk about NetJets first. So, NetJets offer you a platform for work innovation, and then it is owned by Berkshire Hathaway. And NetJets is the largest and oldest private jet operator in the world. It pioneered the fractional ownership model, giving clients access to their fleet based on how many flights hours they buy. So, what they offer is fractional ownership, lease, and jet card options. They also have a huge fleet with guaranteed availability. They have high safety standards and elite pilot training, and they have flexible access across North America and Europe. The only downside is they have high upfront costs and the memberships require long-term commitments. Now, VistaJet, on the other hand, offers a membership-based global private jet service without ownership. The clients get access to a dedicated fleet of silver and red Bombardier jets with consistent onboard experience, no matter where they fly. So it offers no ownership required, where you only pay for the flight hours. They also have consistent luxury experience, and they have a global access to 96% of the world, which is ideal for international travelers, and they have flexible booking via the VistaJet app or concierge. So NetJets is a better option if you want fractional ownership, reliability, and extensive US coverage. And VistaJet is the best when you want global luxury travel without ownership hassles.